Okay, so hello guys. So this is a problem on HackerRank called set.union operation. So now let us see our task. The task is the students of district college have subscriptions to English and French newspapers. Some students have subscribed to only to English, some have subscribed to only French, and some have subscribed to both the newspapers. Okay. And the same student could be in both sets. Okay. Your task is to find out the total number of students who have subscribed to at least one newspaper. Okay. So see. This is the set of students who have subscribed to English. These many students have subscribed to French. So we have to find total number of students who have subscribed to at least one of them. And this is the intersection of both the things. So if we add English number of students who have subscribed to English and French, then we get this thing we counted twice. So English plus French. So this middle thing we have counted it twice. So we'll have to subscribe it. Basically the E union F formula. So in Python we can do one thing. We can count the total number of students who have subscribed to English, subscribed to French. We can append these both to a list and we can convert that list into set. So the repeated students can be ignored. That is, we don't need the repeated students. So it does not count the repeated students. That is the advantage of sets actually. So we can do it now. So let us see the input format. We got the logic. Now let us see how to code it. So the first line contains n number of students to English, then the roll numbers, then English, then to French, and the roll numbers. Okay. So let us code it now. So suppose number of students are who are subscribed to English paper are E, and now we just have to take the list. So of roll numbers, list of roll numbers. So I'll just take the list in spaces now. So it will be a list. I'll use the map function. Roll number will be integers obviously, and input dot strip and split function. So I took the list. So now French. So let us take it F. These many students have subscribed to French newspaper. Okay, and French. Okay, this is the list. Okay, fine. So we have both the list now. Now we have to append both these lists into a single list. So for that I'll just start an empty list. So let us name it as L equals to an empty list. Okay. Now I have to append both these lists into single list called L. So for that I'll use for loop. So for I in English. So I'll just append I. So L dot append I. And the same thing I'll do to French newspapers. So I'll just copy it. Okay, and after that we have both the list now. I'll have to change the list first. Okay, and after that we got the list now. So let us print this list first so that we can understand, or instead we can just convert it into set now. So let us take it as S equals to set of L. So now all the roll numbers that got repeated in E and F will get removed. That is, we don't have any repeated elements now in S. So we just have to print number of elements in S now. So we can simply use print length of S. So we get number of elements in S. And now let us check it. I'll just copy this simple input and the answer should be 13. Okay, fine. These are logical, right? Now let us check it if all the test cases are right or wrong. Okay, fine. Okay, it works. Thank you.